Hello class, please stand up and bow your heads and let's pray. So class, before you may take your seats, please pick up some trashes and arrange your chairs properly, okay? Okay class, you may take your seats now. Let me check your attendance. Please stand up and say present mom if you are in a classroom, okay? Okay. Good morning class. I am your teacher. My name is Jillian Claire J. Taylara, or you can call me Teacher Jessie. So class, how was your sleep?
Good.
Oh, that's good to hear. How about what did you eat for breakfast?
Rice and egg.
Wow, that sounds so delicious. So class, do you know Starla?
Yes, ma'am.
The one on TV?
Yes.
Okay class, I have here a lot of Starla. I will give these stars for those who will cooperate today, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I just want you to stay behave, listen to me so that you can answer my questions. Are we good?
Yes, ma'am.
So, let's start. Okay class, before we will start to our new lesson, let's recall the song we sang yesterday, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we will sing Row Row Your Boat and Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will sing first the Row Row Your Boat. Let's sing together, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start. In 1, 2, 3, go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Again. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Very good. So class, what do you think is the tempo of the song?
Me.
Okay, stand up.
Fast.
Very good. The tempo of the song Row Row Your Boat is fast. So, you have now your Starla.
Yay.
Very good. Yay! Clap your hands. Okay. Let's for now, let's sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
In 1, 2, 3, go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Yay.
Yay! Very good! Again, what do you think is the tempo of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
Me.
Okay, what is your answer?
Slow.
Slow! Very good! Give a big clap for Michael! Yay! So you have also your Starla!
Yay.
Okay, class, you are great today. So, let's move to our next game, okay? So, class, do you want to play?
Yes, ma'am.
I have here a game. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you that excited?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will divide you into two groups. The first group will give the sound and the second group will guess and pick up the picture that resembles the sound. Are you excited?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start.
Yay.
Yay! Congratulations to group 2. You win the game. So come and get here your Starlas.
Yay.
So, let's give a round of applause to everyone. Yay! You did a good job.
Yay.
For our next activity, I have here names of animals and I want you to group them where do you think they belong or as to how they move. Okay? If you want to answer, just put your hands up and go in front. And for those who will get correct answer, I will give you Starla, 2 Starla. And for those who will cooperate, I will give you 1 Starla, okay? So, are you ready? So let's start. We are done answering the activity and all of your answers are correct. Let's give 5 claps to everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! And for those who answer in front, come here and get your Starlas. Congratulations, babies. Yes, thank you. As I have several questions here, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you want to answer, just raise your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for our first question, how do these animals move?
These animals move slow, slower, fast, faster.
Very good. Give him a round of applause.
Yay!
Okay, for our next question, which animals move slow, slower, fast, and faster?
For slow, turtle, duck.
How about for slower?
For slower, snail, worm.
For fast?
For fast, cow.
And lastly, for faster?
For faster, horse, cat.
Very good. Okay, yay! You got the correct answer.
Yay!
For our last question, why are animals important to us?
Because some animals helps us in daily lives and they give us happiness.
Yes, you're correct. Animals are important because they help us in our daily lives and they become our happiness.
Yay!
So, let's give a big clap for everyone because you did a great job. Yay! Class, animals have different varied movements, which are they move in a slow, slower, fast, and faster. The same with our new lesson for today, which is called tempo. Tempo have also different variations. And to start our new lesson, I will discuss what is tempo and I will give more examples about it. Okay? Just behave and listen to me. Okay, class, what is tempo?
It is the speed of the beat and the basic base of music. A fast tempo is associated with a feeling of energy, drive, and excitement. A slow tempo often contributes to a solemn, lyrical, or calm mood. Such associations are rooted in the way we feel and act. When we're excited, our hearts beat rapidly than when we're calm. We tend to move and speak more quickly.
I will play a song and let's guess what is the tempo of that song, okay? Good.
What is the tempo of this song? Yes, that's right. The tempo of this song is slow. How about this one? What do you think is the tempo of this song? Yes, you're right. It is fast.
Okay, class, that was all about tempo. So for our next activity, I will divide you into 3 groups. You must choose a leader and pick up a picture of animals in front. And I want you to act out the following correct tempo that I will assign to you, okay? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start. And for our last activity, the same group you have a while ago, You will perform through a chant, following an animal movement. So, are you ready for your performance?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. Congratulations for the group who won, and for all of you guys, you did a great job. Okay, class, for your assignment, you will choose a song and practice singing following any movement of an animal, okay?
Yes,
You,
Mom.
you will perform it tomorrow. So class, that would be all for today. I hope that you have learned a lot from my discussion. Thank you and goodbye!